Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be rebuilding this beautiful structure. Oh well, I don't think it's very beautiful. So yeah, this is Eret's tower from the Dream SMP, so we're gonna try to rebuild this. And just before we get started, please go down and hit the subscribe button, it would help me out a lot. Thank you. So the first thing I did was trying to do a bit of landscaping down around the tower, but yeah, I don't think it really helped anything, so I just stopped doing that and moved on to, yeah, beautifying the rest of the tower. So yeah, as I said, I moved on to beautifying the rest, so I moved on to start removing the walls. I really liked the andesite rim that Aaron had put in the sides of the stone brick, so I kept that, but I then added a bit of ruined wall, so a good mix of stone brick, mossy stone brick, and cobblestone, and of course some more andesite, just to make it blend together more. And I think it turned out really good, so I did that all around the tower and also all the way up. And yeah, one of the main problems I saw on this build was the missing depth. It only really had flat sides, so I added some black stone walls where there was obsidian. I know the obsidian is there to stop people from griefing it, so I kept the obsidian underneath. I put some black stone walls on the outside of the obsidian, just to give it a bit more depth, and very nice contrast to the stone brick and stone mix walls. Yeah, and then I moved on top of the tower, and first of all I removed all the slabs and replaced them with cobblestone walls, and then I began removing the wood floor, because I don't really think it fit in with the already kind of ruined look I gave the tower with the stone mix. So I removed this and put in a slab instead on the lower half of the block, so that it would be a bit it would have a little more depth. And then of course I mixed 3 different types of wood. I mixed oak, spruce and birch. And as you probably know, this was made as a watchtower, so I wanted to keep that feel, so I just made one single pillar in the middle to have a ladder on it, and then I made these four like stone brick paths out to the different layers of the tower, to the watchtower. So yeah, uh, just a single ladder in the middle, and because I wanted to keep that feel to it, that it's just has to be there. Then I moved on to the bottom layer. I thought it needed a nice effect down there, so I began by uh, walling in a area in the middle, and yeah, then I started placing glass because I wanted to make that very nice foggy effect um, down there, just to have something to look at. I thought of doing it with water, but then I thought again that this might be a bit better because water is quite a bit clearer than glass. So you would be able to see the bottom, and in this it looks like an infinity pit. And yeah, as you can see, I then lit up the whole area all the way up. Yeah, not much to that, just used some lanterns and placed them in a pattern around all the obsidian. And yeah, as you can see here, I finished the fog effect. It ended up looking really nice, you'll see in the shots after this, in the B-roll shots in the end of the video. So yeah, this is the finished result. I think it turned out pretty good. Maybe I would have done the landscaping anyway, but I didn't really want to do that right now. This is the top view, and you will in a moment see what I meant with the fog effect down at the bottom. I think it looks really, really good. So yeah, that is, and thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Yeah, I would really appreciate it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!